Did you know that there is a huge waterfall only 30 minutes away from New York City? Nope, I'm not talking about Niagara Falls because that's almost 6 hours away. I'm talking about the second largest waterfall after Niagara Falls in the United States. It is huge, that it's 77 feet high and 260 feet wide and pours more than 2 billion gallons every day. It is in Paterson, New Jersey, and it's called the Great Falls. Do you want to see me fly near it? I'll show you how to fly the DJI Mini 4 Pro drone more than 400 feet above it with a nice trick. Stick till the end or you'll see me walk around very close at the waterfall park with my family. Come with me on my sky adventures. What's up guys, welcome back to another video for the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Today I'm in a special area. I'm going to be flying on this special mountain, show you the special views and how incredible it is. Really nice cinematic shots. What this drone can do is a lot. Come with me and enjoy. We're actually on a mountain very close to Paterson, New Jersey, right behind me. Come close, come close. This. It must be 200-300 feet. It must be 200-300 feet above ground level over there. So I'm already high and I can fly higher because the drone actually takes off from above ground level of where you're standing. I'm standing right here. I can go up to 400 feet above this, 150 meters. So it'll be very high comparing to down there. Really nice. We'll see if I can circle this mountain 360 and if I can get a glimpse of actually a waterfall. There is a Paterson waterfall of a big river behind me on the other side. Okay, let's get into it. Let's go. Alright, there you go. Okay guys, as you can see me, I'm standing on Garrett Mountain Reservation. So this mountain is already high. It looks like at least a couple hundred feet above the main ground level down in Paterson City, or actually where the falls is. So from here, if I fly my drone, I can go 400 feet above ground level where I'm standing. And if I fly closer to the waterfall, that is, 600 feet high from the falls, which is really cool. The DJI Mini 4 Pro has an amazing signal. So standing here, I'm, thousands of feet away and I can still have great reception and transmission. I can see everything on my screen very clearly. So nice. At least it's a sunny winter day. You can see the trees have only brown colors, but that's okay. The water is what's gonna make magic. The fast flow and the huge drop is fascinating. I am very thrilled. I'm very happy to see this. I wasn't expecting this today, but it turned out very well. The Garrett Mountain Reservation has a lot to do, a trail, a playground for kids, fishing, I believe, also in the summer. So it is very attractive. And also from here where I'm standing to the right a little bit, I can see New York City skyline in the distance. It's 30 minutes away in driving, but I think it's like 15 or 20 miles out. So amazing views, amazing nature. I can't imagine how nice and beautiful it's going to be here in the spring. So I'll be back, film again. Thank you all for the support and for watching. I'll bring you a lot more DJI Mini 4 Pro videos from all around my adventures. Stick till the end or you'll see me walk around very, very close at the waterfall park with my family. Welcome to Paterson Waterfalls. Wow, can you hear it? So loud. روزي حلو المية؟ ميرا حلو؟ Wow. Mira, you like it? You like it? Hello? Da-da-da. Here. How was the waterfall? You like it? Maya? I see rainbow. هذا حميد. ماي بتشوف مياه حلو.
Here I was explaining how there is a pipe and they transport the water from it from one end to the other. And then there is another bridge behind it where people can walk actually on it. But it was closed because it freezes in the winter. Later on, I figured out that it was permanently closed because it was deemed unsafe actually. So they're in the process of buying a new one and installing it instead of this one. So this one will go and a new one will come back.
دبل رينبو دبل قوس قزح حلو طبيعي. حمد back. Very nice flight. Yeah, did you guys see New York City? You guys liked it? Hopefully you liked it. Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoy this. Please leave me a like and subscribe for another drone videos. More to come, different areas in the world. You never know. More adventures. Thanks. Have a good day. Peace.